Hey, hello guys. So in this session, we are going to see how we can create a new drawing into a specific project. Okay. So for this demonstration, I am going to use this project we have created in the last session. So I'm just going to open it, and we added one drawing in previous session. So in this session, we are going to see in details the details which we are going to fill while creating a drawing. Okay, so first step is to right click on a project, and then you have to click on create a new drawing. Okay, but before that, the project must be an active project. Whenever you want to create a new drawing into any project, your project must be an active project. So let me active this. Okay, and now I am going to add a new drawing into this project. The procedure is what? Simply you have to right click on a project, then you have to click on new drawing, or you can choose another option, that is over here. You can click on that icon. Okay, the icon which you can see over here. So this is the icon which will help us to create a new drawing into this particular project, the active project. So right click on this and click on a new drawing. So it will give us this pop-up, right? The name of this pop-up is what? Create new drawing, under which we are having three sections. One is for drawing file, the another is for IEC style designators, and the last one is for sheet values. Okay, so here we need to give a name to the file. Okay, so here we'll name it as a demo of new DWG. Okay, I'm just using extension of drawing file, that is DWG. Then you have to select the template. Okay, so AutoCAD Electrical software provides multiple templates which you can use while creating a drawing. If you want to change the template, you just have to click on browse, and it will direct us to the template library. So where we are having a number of templates, from them you can choose any of them, the desired one. Okay, whatever your project needs, you can select from that. For a moment, I am going to select this AutoCAD Electrical. Click on open. Okay, so once you are done with this, here you need to define where you are going to store your drawing file. Okay, so by default it will be get stored into this project path. Okay, so in the directory of project where we have saved a project, at the same location the drawing will be get saved. Next, we have to define the description about the drawing. So here we are going to feed the information related with that particular sheet. Okay, the sheet which this demo new DWG. So here we have to fill the information related with that drawing. Okay, let's again give a description as this is used for demonstration of new DWG. Okay, and you can provide the description up to 3 lines. Okay, so once you are done with the drawing information, you need to go for like IEC style designators, where you need to specify project code, which is going to be unique code for your project, that is this demo project, and then installation code, which is a unique code for your circuit or a schematic diagram, and then the location code, the physical location of your circuit where you are going to install your circuit. Okay, so for these two you can take a reference of historical data, like you can use the existing installation and location codes by using these buttons from a project or from a particular drawing. Then you can go for changing the sheet values or defining a sheet values. Here we are going to define the number of sheets. Okay, the current number of that particular sheet. Okay, now here there is already existing one drawing, so I am going to define this as a sheet number 2 under this project. Okay, then here you have to define the drawing code. Okay, so whatever drawing number you are going to define over here, so that will be again like uniquely identification code for identifying your drawing. So like I will give here as a demo DWG dash 2 as 2023. Okay, So this is for demonstration purpose. You can go with the industry specific drawing codes. Okay, and if your drawing has sections, you can define over here. If it has subsections, you can define over here. Once you are done with all the information, you have to simply click on OK. So I'm going to do the same. Yes. And now the drawing has been created with a template. Okay, and all the information which we have filled at the time of creation of a drawing, the information will be reflected into the title block. So here you can see the description, and here you can see the drawing number, and here you can see the sheet number. Okay, 2 of 2. So this is how we can create a new drawing into our specific project. Okay, thank you.